How does Unknown drive the circular economy? Imagine a world where products are used, repaired, and reused many times over, reducing waste and conserving resources. That's the core idea behind how product as a service, or Unknown, helps push the circular economy forward. Instead of owning a product outright, customers pay for its use through subscriptions or pay-per-use plans. This shifts the focus from owning to sharing, which encourages companies to make products last longer and be easier to repair. When products are built to be durable and repairable, companies have a reason to keep them in use longer, which cuts down on waste. From a logistics point of view, Unknown changes how supply chains work. Instead of a straight line from manufacturing to disposal, supply chains become loops. Products are sent out, used, then returned for repair or refurbishment. This means logistics companies need to develop systems to track where each product is, how it's doing, and when it needs fixing. They also need to create efficient ways to collect and send products back for repairs, which can involve complex transportation routes and storage. Digital platforms play a big role here. They give real-time data on product status, making it easier to schedule maintenance and organize returns. This transparency helps reduce unnecessary trips and optimizes resource use, which lowers the environmental impact. Logistics providers also expand their services to include repairs, refurbishing, and managing assets, helping products stay in use longer and materials to be recovered at the end of their life. Using Unknown means fewer products are needed overall because they are shared among many users. This lowers the demand for raw materials and reduces waste. Companies benefit financially too, with recurring revenue from subscriptions and lower costs for raw materials and waste disposal. Environmentally, Unknown supports sustainability by closing material loops and reducing carbon emissions linked to manufacturing and transportation. To make all this happen, logistics teams need to develop skills for tracking product components and lifecycle data. They must handle complex return flows efficiently and work closely with manufacturers and recycling centers. Digital tools are essential for operational transparency and optimization. Overall, Unknown helps transform supply chains from simple linear systems into regenerative loops, where value is preserved through continuous use, maintenance, and material recovery. This approach aligns perfectly with circular economy principles by reducing waste, saving resources, and encouraging sustainable consumption within logistics and supply chains.